Adding a CoTeacher to StudySync takes a few steps, but can be worth it. To get started, go to your dashboard and open the ConnectEd app. On the right-hand side, you'll find StudySync. Select this. Here, you should see every one of your PowerSchool rostered classes. Select the three dots at the bottom of your class and go to Manage Class Roster right here. Here in Manage Class Roster, you have access to students, but also a tab for teachers. Select the Teachers tab, and as you scroll down, you can see Edit Teacher Roster right here. Here, you should see a list of all registered teachers in the district. On the right-hand side are all of the teachers that are rostered to this class. At the bottom, you will see Add and a number of teachers. Select all teachers you wish to add, and select the Add Teachers button here at the bottom. If you've selected somebody that you don't want, simply click their name again and it will remove them. Once you've pressed the blue button to add the teacher, they will show up on the right-hand side as rostered in your classroom. To unroster them, simply select their name again and then select Remove Teachers. When your class roster is set for all of the teachers that need access, make sure that you select Save. Now those teachers will have access to your StudySync class.